Hey guys, welcome to another video, and guess what I am going to be playing? I'm going to be playing Minecraft again, but I won't just be playing Minecraft. I am playing Turf Wars on Mineplex.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get your daily reward from the creeper.
Oh yeah, I should do that. Whee! Yeah, I should get my daily reward from Carl. Hello, Carl. What do I get?
That wasn't your daily
Treasure
reward.
shards.
Your daily reward is the lapis block, I think.
No, the chest is a daily reward.
Oh.
Oh, now I want to go get. Now I want to go buy a chest. Ah!
Parkour move. Damn.
Hey, I failed because I wasn't going fast enough.
Speed. More speed to fly into the... Wait, look down there. That poor guy.
It's not really a guy. It's
I know.
it's
an
It's an armor stand. Come on. Oh, 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ice Age, created by Ronan 6. Turf
31
Wars.
lines for red, 31 lines for blue. I think blue is gonna win. Okay, I'm wrong. Blue almost never wins.
Oh, blue does win. Just one more.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. But then they shoot. One kill equals one turf line? What the? You should make a whole wall. Oh yeah, it becomes more later.
Actually, my arrows do exactly how much damage they do whenever you're playing, like, normal Minecraft. Each of my... Yes, I'm a shredder. My arrows actually are normal.
You can destroy blue stuff?
Whee!
Hey, that
I
was
missed.
Cool.
It's something that you do.
Oh, no.
I will have to kill Pink Penguin as soon as I can.
Okay.
They got one turf line.
Y'all win.
Hey, what happened?
You shot the wolf.
I wasn't trying to shoot the wolf. Pink Penguin will die.
Kill the
I said you'll die, Pink Penguin.
Oh.
David?
Yeah?
Get the food away from the computer.
Dang it. Build time has begun.
David, get the food out of my
It's
chair.
time to build the wall. Time to build a wall
What should you eat, dear?
that will help us win.
Thank you up.
Combat time has just begun. It is. Combat time has just begun. Sharp Destroyer. Star Destroyer. Yes! Barrage. Oh, I had a barrage of arrows. Nationwide is on your side.
No.
Nation.
Hey! He killed you with his shredding powers. Eat your lunch.
Oh, he's a shredder too. You are a shredder.
Yeah, I've known that for quite a while.
I didn't know he was a shredder.
So guys, I'm thinking about getting a new
What?
history curriculum.
History curriculum. So the shredder isn't what I thought it was, Mommy. It's you actually, the longer you hold it like this, the more arrows you'll fire. Dang it. I'm just gonna hold it and like,
Are you supposed to be tearing up the blue stuff?
yeah, I'm supposed to be firing at the blue stuff and killing blue people.
So you're not supposed to tear their thing up, you're supposed to tear them up.
Hey, you can shred straight through it.
I can also destroy my own blocks. I hurt that guy. Die!
Remember, aim higher than them. That way
I'm doing that. I'll... Bang!
Let it go.
Bang! Bang!
Let it go. Let it go.
No one will hear you die.
They just killed
Oh! Turf is nearly back to where it was. But we're not going to let them have our turf. Oh, what?
You let them have your turf.
No, he just got toted.
Yeah. And
One kill equals one block line of turf.
Yeah, when I played it was 4.
1 kill for 4?
Yeah.
1 kill for 4.
Jim, start building.
Build time.
Build.
Level 6.
Look, more turf lines.
And now for the final kill.
Final shot.
Yes! You caused us to win, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, that is very... Wow. It just like destroyed it. The dragon destroyed his pedestal. No.
Oh, that was hilarious.
I want to be on the blue team.
The red team always wins.
Not always.
Almost always.
And I'm going to be an infiltrator. Game loot. I found 40 paintball guns. Yay! Paintball gun. I must have my pet, though. My little... Where's my sheep? Hello, little sheepy. Come follow me, little sheep. You're so cute. Okay, what am I going to use? I'm gonna get a team. I'm going to use one of my TNT. Pew! Launch. Sheep.
Alright,
Sheepses.
so this
There's my sheepses.
is what
I
I
love
was
my
thinking about
sheepsters.
getting for history. Actually, this isn't it.
Gadgets.
Let me go to
Ethereal Pearl. I do own 19 of those. What do they do? Whoa! That is fun.
You while you're throwing.
Oh, dragon. Dragon.
Alright, so
Who spawned the dragon?
it's
You did?
Ha. No, I didn't spawn the dragon.
this is what it comes with.
Vroom.
The new curriculum.
Whoa. I stand on it.
Sound good?
I need to get out of here. Help me. Help me.
It lets you history stuff.
I'm out.
Yeah, and there's a game.
Finally. I only have so much. Time to build. So sniping is only allowed so high.
I wonder though, do you want to do year 1 or year 2?
Year 1. Pretty sure year 1 would be easier.
Well, it's what it goes over.
Oh wait, I have the abilities of a shredder. I have the ability of a shredder.
Except you only fire one arrow. And you're
Get the
called
food away from
I fired a barrage once. I fired a barrage.
Dude, you shot your own.
I'm not.
That's right.
Now it's time to infiltrate.
Don't shoot your own.
You're an infiltrator.
Oh.
You're an infiltrator. You're an infiltrator.
I can kill people with my iron sword.
Usually it takes me a super duper long time to get.
No,
on
you
my
could
place.
build a wall.
Yeah, that sounds fun, but I'm just going to stick with running.
Build.
No,
No, not that direction.
Oh, crap.
You're just building it.
Just do a 2-layer line.
But then those
I got a shield, but you're dead. So I can't sing the song to you. I's got a shield, I's got a shield, I's got a shield, but you're dead.
I've got the shield, but
See, that's why you need to build a wall.
The thicker the wall is, the better.
Red always
Ouch.
wins.
Not always.
Almost always.
I wish I had a shield. I don't know how to get a shield, though. Hey, look, pink penguin's on my team. Hurry up!
He got shot.
He just blew up.
Somebody else
After
got
I
him.
hurt him.
Go get that.
Hurry up!
Oh.
I killed him with an iron sword. That's what, boy!
You only had a few hearts left.
No, the guy toted him with one schmack.
Red will win.
Ugh.
Oh, come on.
Crimson wave.
Yeah.
Put up some blocks, dude.
If you use a bow, you'll,
Do them too high. You're just gonna get shot.
I know. But I need to build it thick, so
No, see,
the thicker it is, the safer I'll be.
okay, now shoot. Shoot the guy shooting stuff. Up. Oh.
I came out, aimed, and died.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
Dang!